We out here, back with another one. It's another big ass church. Not nearly as cool as the other one, but it's a decent place to eat raw chicken. Week 2 going strong. Really strong. If you want to see an update, full update, check the last video, 1 week update. Feeling really good. Strong day. Fine day to eat a raw chicken again. Little quicker video today. I was thinking about my skin health today, and it has really been my skin has really been the best it has ever been. If I remember correctly, this last month when I started the raw chicken and raw meat, bigger raw meat experiment, my skin has been so good. My skin has always been kinda good, but I have had a lot of pimples. When I was a teenager, I thought when you grow up, you don't get the pimples anymore. It's only teenage thing. How wrong was I? I was pretty wrong. But my skin has always been good, kinda good. But now it just feels different level, very smooth. It's nice to touch my skin. Very little pimples, only couple small pimples here and there. And I started to have this acne on my back of my shoulders end of last year. I think it's from the unpasteurized dairy and coffee, I think, and maybe some other things, but it was kind of getting really bad, and for months. Oh, there's a military plane, Hornet. Military based or no? That's a tough one. So yeah, I was having this acne for months, and that was one of the reasons why I went to full raw meat mode, and it has been really good. The acne is almost completely gone, and it was kind of bad acne. Even my mother saw it one day and said like, your back is kind of fucked up, son. And last time she saw me, she was like, wow, the skin is looking really good, must be the sunshine. And sunshine is really good for the skin also, but if I understand it correctly, your skin health is kinda reflection how your inner health is. You're pushing out the toxins from your body through your skin, so either way, we're getting a lot of raw chicken, raw meat, and we're getting the sunshine now, a lot of sunshine. So that's been making my skin really good. Other thing that I think my skin has been really good is raw butter. When you eat the pasteurized butter, which is not raw, I get really flaky skin and kind of dry skin over here. And just the beard section feels really flaky and dry. But now I have been eating raw butter first time in my life for like a couple of weeks, or a little bit more, and that's a game changer for sure. Not everybody can handle raw dairy, I think, because we are not baby cows. But I can handle dairy good, even pasteurized dairy. But like I said, I think the pasteurized dairy was one of the causes for my back acne. And now the raw butter and raw cream I've been eating just makes the skin really smooth. Everywhere, not just the face. So raw meat glow up. There's some people there. They're like, what the fuck is this guy eating? Young lads. Raw chicken would do good for them. High testosterone in raw meat. I can tell you that much. What are the signs of high testosterone? Happy, horny, hungry, good sleep, feeling strong. We got all of those today. Mom. It's kind of boring church, but it is tall. I'm so used to raw chicken now. Which is kinda weird in this fucked up society we live in. It's a seagull. Never eaten seagull before. If you have, is it good? Maybe the next challenge would be raw seagull for a month straight, every day, to test which animal's better, seagull or chicken. Chicken pretty good. They got the eggs too. And seagulls kinda suck. Their voice sucks. They attack you when they make the babies. That sucks a lot. And chicken just looks cooler. Anyways, that's the raw chicken today. See you guys.